thought for the day. So, fun fact about goldfish. Goldfish will eat as much food as you put in their bowls. They don't feel full, they just eat it all. They will gorge themselves on food. Sometimes I feel like that myself. Sometimes, meetings with teachers, I have to be mindful of goldfish. So, sometimes we just need 15-minute meetings with teachers. But if we schedule an hour, or if we go in at the beginning of a planning time, then they will take whatever time where that meeting is there. And not because of them. Like, I don't mean to say, that's just the way it goes. But there are times that is the case. Because maybe you're caught up in, talking about your own lives and that sort of thing. So sometimes if I know that's going to be an issue, I make a point to schedule meetings at the end of a planning time. So I know there's a set amount of time or a set time that something is going to end. And it can just make the best use of that time together.